Just a little update so y'all can see. ELD in, camera in, lights on the truck done, all the lights working, back lights, brake lights.
We got our ELD device finally, so we just got to install the ELD. That way we not getting pulled over no more for dumb junk. So that's what we finna do.
Like New York and Tennessee, this for y'all.
They say right here, right here, right here, right here, right here. Only so many places on.
Yeah.
That's probably the best place. I just don't know, like.
Yeah, that's the best place. Also, we fixing the lights on the back of the trailer too. Y'all stay tuned for that. That's gonna come in like 30, 40, 50 minutes after we eat. Oh.
Trying to get it tight enough to where it ain't gonna move.
Appreciate Keep It Trucker for finally sending it to us.
It's about right here.
Yeah. What that plug for? You got
What you mean?
that plug, the charger. Oh, for the camera. We got a camera too, right?
Yeah. Oh, and you can move it on and off. Okay, for sure. We got what's some color right there. The Velcro. You know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah, so I can move it.
Yeah. Yeah, you didn't even tell them about all the problems we had on the road.
Oh, man.
Go ahead, bro. Keep going.
Oh, hold on.
We
We gotta address this, man. Light went out, right? The right turn signal went out. Y'all seen a little bit of that I had to fix up there in Tennessee. Bro, look at the ramp. As y'all seen in the video, y'all was like, oh, y'all messed up the right ramp. Yeah, man, it's messed up. But we gotta go get it fixed to get it to tie down. But y'all can see what was going on. It's keep messing up the wires. That's why I blew that fuse up front. So now I'm just doing it. It's better if you could do it yourself. That way you save money if you out here.
So we got charged $480 for a bit not to do nothing.
For this.
That man put on red tape.
Man, come on, man.
$480. Slapped our heads.
But I didn't want to take a chance out there on the road and do it myself, just because I didn't have the proper tools for it. But now we home, sweet old Florida. We get it done the right way now.
that tape on them hoes, dog.
Hey, that was the solution, man.
So you might as well finish all on them rapidly.
No, because then they're going to be in the way. You know what I'm saying?
Nope.
You see what I'm saying? Right?
Well, you're going to have to tell that person.
Go over there and make that tight after. Make it no knife. A little bit. Look at this. Look at this.
You need to do that one?
Yeah.
Twist to make sure that it's good, that when it go in there, it stick. Yeah. But where are McDonald's at, bro?
Oh, no, I got them. You gonna call it?
Yeah. Yeah, you finna burn something up right here, man. Might just take out this whole section.
That can't just be taped. It don't look like it got to the wires, do it?
Yeah.
It did? Alright. You just gonna take out the whole section?
No, I could. But I'll just take out this little section right here. Like this little section.
Yeah.
Take that out. Yo, and this the first 3 weeks out.
I think we're tying them wires up, boy.
Yeah, bad. Yo, we're still working on the wires. Come to find out I wasn't getting power from the truck to the trailer. But now I'm getting power up there. So we're gonna see if we can fix that. As y'all can see, we got the lights back. We do our own electricity around here, man. We don't go to nobody else. $400 for that red piece of tape. $80 for that little splice. Y'all be careful, man. Don't let them people out there juke y'all. Look at that.
Hey, man. Tell me, it's good to know people. Boy, my brother used to work on these.
Listen, okay. Shout out to D. We got it. Got a brand new fuse. Lights good. New wiring. And look, we in there. Just a little update so y'all can see. ELD in. Camera in. Lights on the truck done. All the lights working. Back lights, brake lights. And re-wash. Hey, shout out to that boy Greasy, man. We out here. Y'all stay tuned for the next video, man. Love y'all. Keep them ties bouncing.